Hi guys, Patty. I am here to real quick walk you through a common misconception, a common cue that you probably hear all the time in yoga classes. And this is one that we don't use very often in the crystal gray yoga method, and you're going to learn why. We all want to be super graceful and flowy when we go through our yoga poses, which is probably why when you're in your forward fold, maybe flowing through like a half sun or a full sun, you hear the cue quite often to roll up. Stacking one vertebrae at a time. Head is the last thing to come up. Raise your hand if you've heard that, right? I'm going to challenge you to not do that, and here is why. When you're in your forward fold, your pelvis is tilted forward, knees are usually slightly bent to help tilt your pelvis. As soon as you hear to roll up, your tailbone starts to tuck under. That disengages your hamstrings, your glutes, and makes your low back do all the work as you roll up. Now, if you do this once or twice in a yoga class, probably no big issue. But if you continue to do this over and over, you might find that you're having some lower back pain. So instead, I'm going to challenge you to, when you're in your forward fold, to instead lead with the back of the crown of your head right where my big poofy ponytail is, and to rise up with a flat back. Now, as you rise up, you're going to feel that your hamstrings are engaged, your glutes are engaged, your core is engaged. So not only are you building muscle, but you're protecting your low back. So again, when you're in that forward fold, instead of tucking your tailbone, bringing all the work to the low back, keep a nice flat back. Lead with the back of the crown of your head. Slowly rise up, engaging all of those muscles. It's a small movement, but the more you do it over and over, the more you'll build strength. All right, guys, give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.